Investing into your work 401k is an amazing opportunity to make a lot of money for the future. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys why everybody needs to be, joined into a 401k and how it can earn you so much money that, you didn't even know about. Alright guys, so before I get into all the details, make sure you hit that like button, smash that like button right now. Let's get like 20 or more likes on this video, and in the comments below, leave me a comment. When did you guys start participating in the 401k? If you haven't, are you going to? Alright guys, so a traditional 401k pretty much, through your employer means that you're putting pre-taxed money in right now as you're earning it, and you have more money to invest right now instead of waiting and getting taxed right now. You're going to be getting taxed when you turn 59 and a half years old. When you take the money out, you're going to get taxed on that money, which is better because right now your money can grow and earn you more money instead of getting taxed now and putting less money into the investment, so your money you would have less money to grow, if that makes any sense. So now your money has more opportunity to grow because there's more of it instead of the other way around. So some of the other positive things about the 401k, the traditional 401k is right now you are allowed to contribute up to 19,000 every year, and most companies have like a company match. If you have this, definitely go ahead and get into it because for example, if your employer matches 100% of your investment up to, let's say, 10% or up to 15%, basically they're giving you 10 or 15% of your investment for free. So if you're putting in $100 and they're putting in 10%, they're going to give you $10 on that $100 that you're investing, which is free money. So why not do it? As long as you have that opportunity, it's free money. They're just giving it to you because you're in the program. So that's a very, very positive thing. So obviously, the traditional 401k has its downsides as well, depending on how you look at it. So this could be a positive or a negative depending on your mindset. Like I mentioned earlier in an example, you get taxed when you turn 59 and a half years old. So for some people that might be a good thing, for some people it might be a bad thing, because they might say, oh well, they're taking more money now, but they're not really. Right now your money has more room to grow. The other negative thing is you can't take out the money from your 401k, or else you're going to have to pay a 10% penalty on it, and you're going to have to pay your taxes obviously on it. And also another thing is at age 70 and a half, you're forced to take out from your 401k. You can't keep it in there. But I don't think that's a negative because by age 70 and a half, most people are probably going to have the money out anyway. So if you guys haven't started contributing into your work 401k, well, it'll probably be a smart idea to start now because you're going to have so much money saved up for the future when you retire, instead of going into retirement, being broke, and then you don't know what to do anymore because you don't have any money saved up. So it's really good if you can. If you guys learned anything new from this video, or if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs button like we said earlier. If you made it this far, leave a comment below. Just say 401k if you made it this far into the video. Just write 401k. Also, like I said, if you have a 401k, comment below at what age you started contributing to the 401k, and tell me how you like it so far. Alright guys, see you next time.